it's your girl Star here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Star. I'm just a full-time mom with a full-time job, taking it one day at a time. And for all my returners out there, welcome back. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna just try to take you through my day. It is currently 4:48. I had to wake up at 4 o'clock this morning. I gotta get to the field site at 5. So we're gonna be cooking off the MKT today, and I'm gonna try and show y'all a little bit what that's like, and I'm excited about that. But I also have an appointment today, so I'm gonna have to take a break throughout the day. But yeah, and I know it's dark in here, y'all. I'm sorry, but just come with me as I conquer the day, period. Y'all, I'm really just showing y'all how dark these roads are because I really don't know whose idea it was to have all these roads with no street lights. And then there'd be wild animals like running out into the street. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. Let me get to the site. Alright, so we got the eggs right here, the griddle. We got our water boiling, and we're gonna use this water to make the food. And here's what it looks like in here.
Alright, so we need a quart dipper, but we need to measure the water. We need to be in quantity.
So right now we are scooping the water out in here so we can heat up our water for our coffee. Fabulous.
No, 7?
And then we're gonna do, yeah.
Get in on that bacon.
Yum, canned bacon. I gotta get the.
What time is it?
All right, y'all. We got our blueberry dessert in here. We have gravy with potatoes in this one. I'm actually not gonna open it for y'all. Y'all see it later.
You want to do the bacon in one, or you want to do bacon with the eggs? Because I know Pops and eat one. Over my.
Okay, let's do bacon with the eggs then. All right, y'all. We're getting busy in here. We're cooking. Let me show y'all the eggs. Ooh. They're pretty much done. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. Fluffing up the eggs.
Alright, for the cans.
Alright, here's the bacon.
Oh wait, these seconds.
Good job, everybody. Look, this is our canned bacon. Yeah. Look, this is how it look in the can. Let me show them in the can. This is how it look in the can. I know y'all love this bacon. And this is how it looks.
Wish I could find his reaction.
You're gonna be excited. It's in here. Open this one. Go ahead.
Yay! Bacon!
Everybody's
Taking pictures of the picture takers.
Oh, it's right here. Mercedes. That's one. But now you got one. You already,
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, everybody. What?
Give me a head count. Give me someone a head count.
Okay. Hey guys, I haven't been tuning y'all in, but right now we are starting to make lunch. We have chicken quarters, fried chicken, ribs, macaroni and cheese, rice, and collard greens. So, yeah. Before they call my name again. Alright, we got some ribs in here. We got Stokes burning the fried chicken. That's alright. We are, let me see if I can zoom in on the chicken over there. Yep. We got that chicken it's gonna go into cook. It's apple glazed marinated chicken. You can use these third pans. Yeah, 180. All right, sir.
You can't blur it?
That's the whole garnish. So we got some rice. We got some mac and cheese. We got some fried chicken. And then we got the pulled pork. What's in this one? Okay. We got the collard greens. And we got the baked chicken and apples. Yummy, yummy. And then we got these two over here. Yeah. Oh, footwork. Oh. You want to say hi, Mercedes? Yay! All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed my video and maybe learned something. I don't even remember what I was talking about halfway in the video. But anyways, I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.
Take you farther than Mexico. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you shorty.